Hello crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake your KGO or Kiwigo token to earn Spark Point or SRK token. So as you can see, I have 5,499 Kiwigo token. The next thing we will do to stake this token is to click this button. And then click browser, and then you should type the app.srk.finance in this portion, this website, app.srk.finance. Okay, so once you already type the website, just search, then the dashboard of SparkSwap will be automatically open. Okay, as you can see, we are in a dashboard of srk.finance website. Then click this button. As you can see, there is liquidity staking, pool-based staking. Click this button. Make sure that your BSC address wallet of Metamask account, of your Metamask account, must be connected to SparkSwap or srk.finance website or Spark wallet or SparkSwap. Okay, I already connected my wallet. Then I need to go back to the main dashboard. Okay, this one. Then click pool-based staking, and we will look for stake KGO and earn SRKB. Okay, so there are a lot of options here that you can stake. You can stake SRKB and earn FIG rewards. Stake SRKB and earn air rewards. Then stake BCP and earn fuel. Then we will choose stake KGO and earn SRKB rewards. Okay, so make sure that your KGO token or Kiwigo is already deposited to your address, to your Metamask wallet. Okay, so now as you can see, the KGO pool will be ending in 75 days. Okay, the total deposit is 5.6 million. Reward rate is 2.89 SRKB per block. So APR 53.15%. Okay, so let's start. Click deposit. Okay, then we will choose stake tokens. But if you want to add more token, you just click add more. But now we are going to stake the KGO token. Just click stake tokens. Then click max. Then approve. Click approve and wait. As you can see, there is a gas fee. Click approve and wait. Just wait, don't double click. Wait for it for the confirmation. Transaction is completed. Approve, then close. Then the next thing to do is to click deposit. Then confirm deposit. Waiting for confirmation. There's another gas fee. Click confirm. Okay, don't click it again to avoid double charge. Waiting for confirmation. So guys, SparkSwap website, decentralized exchange is new, but this is very reliable, and I am recommending this SparkSwap or decentralized exchange if you want to convert your BUSD to Binance or Binance to BUSD. Okay, so my KGO token is already deposited to staking. Then click close. Okay, then just refresh. Then click for base staking. Let's check. Then click deposit to check if my where's my okay, my 5,499 KGO token is already deposited. As you can see, this one. And there's already rate 0.0028 SRKB token earnings. I already have earnings, so as you can see, I have 0.0531 SRKB. SRKB, guys, is a very good project. It's already existed for, I think, more than 2 years. Actually, the reason why I stake my KGO token is to earn more SRKB. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, just click subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.